Hello, I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and today we are going to see the cutest little house in Wedgewood that's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, renovated, and under $300,000. It might just be the best buy in Fort Worth right now, so let's go take a look. Okay, first of all, this cute little brick house was built in the 1970s. It is in Wedgewood. It's on the west side of Hewlin Street if you know the Wedgewood neighborhood. Love this cute little front door. And then we go in, and I love the archways in this house. It kind of gives this sort of Mediterranean vibe. Of course, there's a little closet here in the entry for coats or whatever. Since we live in Texas, we don't need any coats. Okay, look at this living room, y'all. They opened it up. Beautiful vaulted ceiling with wood beams, chandelier, and that cute brick fireplace. Again, with the arches, that theme I totally love here. They also took out a wall here and opened up this kitchen. So it's got this great flow and openness. Big breakfast room. Laundry here is tucked away going into the garage. Okay, this living room, I want to point out too how big it is. You could do like a dining room right here and a living room if you wanted to have 2 eating spaces or wanted to kind of expand the kitchen a little bit. You could do that. All right, this is our first bedroom. They use it as an office. Across the hall here is the hall bathroom. This was remodeled recently. Really cute. This is the second bedroom. They're actually a really nice size, and if you look in here in this closet, it's huge, especially for this age of house. I love this. I will point out too that this whole house has 0 carpet, which is lovely in this price point of home. They remodeled this room with that accent wall. Love that accent wall. They remodeled this bathroom. And I'm going to show you this primary bedroom closet too, because it's really big. So nice. I just love the layout and the space, the use of the space in this house. It's not very big, it's under 1,700 square feet, but it really is great for entertaining. It's got tons of storage. Now I want to show you out here. It's really cool. Okay, it's got a great big patio that's covered. So nice in the Texas heat, which is not hot right now while we're filming, but it is definitely hot in the summer. Great big yard. It's got that storage shed back there, but plus it's got this driveway. I don't know if you noticed, but along the front of the house, and that has a gate right there. You could park an RV or a boat or additional cars back here. Get a ton of extra room for actually using your garage as a parking space. Okay, let's talk real quick about location. Right here, it's about 2 minutes to the Chisholm Trail toll that takes you to everything. Hewlin Mall, it'll go downtown. It will go to the museum district, the zoo. All of this stuff is right pretty close off of the Chisholm Trail Parkway. It's 15 minutes or 16 minutes. You can get to TCU from there. Okay, if you are looking for a move-in ready house in a budget-friendly price point, I think this is the one. And if you are interested in this house or getting a list of other houses available under $300,000, give me a call or text me or email me. You know where to find me. All my contact information is down below. I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.